Always gotta start the stream off with that. Yes, sir. Alright, so. Let me move this here. Let's see what else there is left to do. Let's see what else there is left to do. Hello, Abdulis. Yeah, I'm gonna put my chat over. Oh no, not that. I'm gonna put this screen over here. Because I want to see the chat here and then my screen here. And then you all see over here my screen. I don't know. Let me just make sure. This screen moves at like 25 frames per second. It's so weird. Alright. So, we are finishing the music site. And what's left to do? What's left to do is, yeah, it is kind of hard to pronounce. I'm just gonna call you Cably. Alright, quick way to add favorite songs to playlist. That will not happen. The graph issues, I don't know about them. So this is what we need to do left. Okay, so let me show this. I cleaned this up a bit compared to last time. Before it was all messy. Now it's a bit cleaner. I don't think I have the, let me show here. I don't think I have the suggested playlist working for the, let me check. So the suggested playlist, yeah, it's not working yet. Is the stream up, or is it really just no one watching? Baba Booey. Alrighty. So we need to fix, oh, you can't see it because the code's in the way. So we need to fix this, and which we also need to fix the buttons too. And then we need to fix the graphs, and then I think we're gonna be done, pretty much. Because the graphs need to be fixed, and then this needs to be fixed. So let's go to this. And let's fix it. Say my name. Good Stuff Ward. Hello. Message retracted. Hey, if you aren't subscribed, hit that button. I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. Yes, sir. I don't know how long I'm gonna be streaming today. I might be streaming for like an hour or two. And the reason that is for an hour or two is because I gotta do other things today. So, yeah. Grid item 2 does not exist apparently. Alright, let's see. So we need to save this. Aha, here it is. Grid item 2. But what's up, everyone? How's everyone doing today? Ooh. Do. Yeah. Alright, so let's refresh this. That looks better. But we need to, I think, increase the font size. Okay, so that didn't work. Doing well? That's good. That's good that you're doing well. Where's the width? Let me see here. Alright, I think that is good there for that. What's up, Oreo Cookie? How you doing, Oreo Cookie? Do. Alright, we need the button here to be bigger. I think we're gonna change this. So it's gonna be like 100 pixels. Well, let me think. I think 150 pixels by 150 pixels. You're doing well? That's good. I'm doing well too. Just busy as usual lately. But it's all good. Being busy is good. I just got a lot of things to do today and tomorrow. There's literally up till like Thursday, I'm busy. But I have some time today. I don't have any time tomorrow. But it's all good. Okay, let's see. Oh, and then what's the font size? We changed it to 32. Alright, so in the code, we just need to change these up, and it'll be all set to go. what did everyone do today? Or is going to do today? I'm basically, for me, I'm basically just working on this site. I gotta do something later. I had to talk to my mom about something. Like, cause I have a interview next week for an internship. So, uh, waiting for that. Um, you know, the add former artist button shouldn't even matter here because it shouldn't matter there. But yeah, like I said, what's everyone doing today? Or is going to do today? 32 pixels, and then I think, let me see here. Yeah, and then I need to add this here. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Alright, so this works here. Oh wait, what did I do? I didn't close it, that's why. Alright. Okay, so it works, but I gotta change the... What type of music do I listen to? I listen to mainly like rap music, hip hop, like old school music. Oh wait, is that for... like mainly hip hop, rap, old school. I listen to pop, like radio music. I listen to. That's mainly it. Nice. What type of music do you like? It's always interesting to know. Why is it doing that? Hold on. Alright, so it sort of works there, but I need to move it, like, up. Because it seems to be a bit off balanced here. Top, like, it looks alright. Think that looks good. And then, hold on, I gotta do like, where's the, is it, kind of hard to decide, I guess, rock and roll and some other stuff. That's good. I like rock, old school rock, like classic rock. Hello, Harsh K, what you doing, or how you doing? classic rock is kind of my favorite type of rock. That's pretty much all that I listen to when it comes to rock. So let me show the code real quick. It wants to load. So we need to replace this with this. So instead of here, we're gonna do like this. Eminem. And then same thing again, we're gonna do here. D12. So that should work in terms of it being here. Then I think we should also close it. So like close the thing here. So close, suggest a playlist there. So that way it adds them to the list, but it also closes the window here. So we could do this and just copy it here, and then we do Eminem Bad Meets Evil. Yes, from 1930 to 1990 is my favorite years of music. Yeah, that type of music is very good. I like classic rock because when I worked at Five Guys, classic rock was all we played, and it was just pretty cool to just hear that music. I think we're gonna come into the issue now is when we already have these artists. Let's just see, because I think when we already have these artists, it's gonna be different. Unless we do I might, okay, hold on. Let me look at the function for this, and let me see. I think I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna do this because I want to set it so like it adds them, but it's gonna add it twice technically. Yo, we got 7 viewers, or we got 9 viewers. Government, do not touch my buns. Your brain hurts. Yo, we got the FBI in here. Yo, whatever happened to that person that said they're gonna get me 10,000 subscribers? They're like, yo, I got you, and they're like, gotta go. But if you aren't subscribed, you see this number up there? You know, that number? You should hit it. Hit the subscribe button. It goes up. You always want things going up. I should change, it's inverted, I think. I should flip it, the camera. I'm not used, cause I want to go up like this, but it's flipped. The camera's flipped. Yo, we got 9 people in here. Yo, what's up, everyone? We turning up. We turning up. Alright, so the issue with this is that it's going to add the names twice. I believe so. So in our here, let me show. I believe here in artist selected, if we click on, which is it? This? Did it work or no? It didn't work. Huh. Go to Photoshop, make the count, just getting the count thing up to 10,000. Yeah. I hit the button, it didn't, yeah. Let me refresh it, actually. Sometimes it doesn't, update for some reason. I don't, sometimes it's weird. The YouTube thing is weird. I got my desk all set up, if no one saw that stream yesterday. Took 3 hours to set up the desk. That's what's up. I don't know, YouTube, I guess it doesn't update all the time. You better pog the site. Oh, yes, sir. The pog the site will be real. Alright, update list add. Hold on. This is gonna be... Where's... It's this. Okay, I know it. So this needs to be different here. So the code needs... We need to create a different one here. In the code. Oh, that's what I was moving. So we see here, we need to change this. Take this out. And literally we have to take this out here, because that doesn't matter technically. And I believe now this will work when I do this. But we're gonna have to see, because I'm gonna have to yeet yourself out of the chat, bruh. Why are you gonna yeet yourself out of the chat? You don't have to yeet yourself. You can just leave. You don't have to yeet, 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 yeet. Alright, hold on. Let me change the scene. So here, so right now, I believe artist selected is none. So if I click this, look, Eminem and D12. But the issue is now, look, I could go back here, press it again, and it's already there. So what we need to do, I believe, is you gotta yeet your dog. Not the dog. Alright, so what we gotta do now, see that there's double? We gotta do, we gotta change the function a bit. We gotta do it where we get the cookie here. And we need to, split it. So, do var array artist equals, is it artist dot, does it, yeah, split by this. So now we gotta do, oh, you can't see the code. So now we gotta do like a string, contains, but we also have to do a loop, because, yeah, we gotta do a loop here. So we gotta do for bar x, did a lot of MATLAB programming back. I heard MATLAB programming was a pain in the ass. I've never done it. I have never done MATLAB programming. I do not know what it is, and I really don't want to find out what MATLAB programming is. MATLAB programming sounds like hell. I like the problem solving that comes with programming, but writing it out is a headache. I'm pretty much the same way. Like, I like writing it out, sort of, but I like the problem solving. Because, like, I could write down how to solve the problem, but, you know, putting it into code sometimes is a bit weird. It's a bit weird to do. X less than array. Oh wait. Array artist dot length. X plus. So now we loop through the all the artists, and we have to find out if it contains it. Now that is mostly for mathematical application solving. Yeah, I never used the MATLAB. It's weird because I took all my math classes for computer science. I finished them all. My computer classes. So here we gotta do if artist equals array artist X, then we gotta append it to the array. Then we append it to the array. So we basically do this here. So like that. And I believe this works now here. So I believe this should work. So when we do this, hold on, let me double check this is up to 2. So here, let's clear this, refresh this, and let's see. So right now, look, artist selected, there's none. Say we select this, it's undefined. Interesting. It is undefined. What did I do wrong here? Oh, okay, hold on. I know what to do. Wait. Why is it undefined? Let me see. First computer we learned Fortran. 2012? Holy shit. Fortran 90. I tried to look into I had to look at Fortran for something. I think it's like for an assignment, and it was just, I don't know. It was something else, I swear. Alright, so we get this, but dot length, if, oh wait, okay, so this is, oh, okay. If it does not, okay, now I get it. Alright, so this should work now. I had it backwards. Let me refresh this. Oh, what the heck did I click on? Alright, so if I add this, alright, it adds it. If I go here, click it again, it still adds it. How come it still adds it? It shouldn't do that. This is what the code was supposed to do. If the artist does not equal X. Oh, okay, I get it now. RIP LMFAO. Yeah, I know. I get what the issue is now here. This for loop technically doesn't. Let me hold on. We don't really need this for loop in the code. Hold on. How do I? Okay, there. So in the code, we don't need this for loop at all. We just need to do this. Not fruits. The array. So like this. So this should be what fixes it. Oh yeah, see look, the sub counter went up now. So it updates slowly, but there, it went up. That's good. Randomly recommended this stream. Well, welcome aboard, Mohammed. Welcome aboard. We're doing a programming stream, working on the site. The site we're trying to finish up today. Really pushing through with the last bits and pieces with it. So if we hit add, it adds it there. If we hit add again, it says undefined. Undefined and then D12. It shouldn't oh, I know why. I know what else. Hold on. If it's the same one, it's gonna be added. I think this makes sense here. My misery. Hey, it's all good. Coding, you know, it's not always a one-time thing. It's always numerous times. Alright, so there it is. M&M D12. We press it again. It stays there. But if I hit this one, M&M D12 bad meets evil. But it didn't do Royce to 5-9. Did I not change that one? Oh, it's not on there. That's why. Okay, hold on. That's why. So I gotta do Royce to 5-9. So let me refresh this. And then look, so if I do this, so oh yeah, so I have it set so every time you refresh it changes. Or it resets the whole thing. I mean, that's supposed to be like that. So M&M and D12. So if I add this, bad meets evil, M&M, Royce to 5-9, it should only add bad meets evil and Royce to 5-9. Bad meets evil and Royce to 5-9. Okay, so that's good. So it works as intended. Which I like. Yes. Alright, so let's update these. And then we need to do this here. So this is pretty much done. The add former artists will not be a button for now. I'd stay, but I don't know anything about programming. Bye, dude. That's alright. I mean, it's good. It's fine. You don't have to stay. Why did he leave me? Everyone's leaving. Nah, it's all good. It's all good. You know, I didn't know about programming to begin with. Now look at where I am. I still really don't know about programming. That's the thing with programming. You know, I just kind of wing it. Just, hello Skulls14, what's up? How you doing? Like with programming, I just kind of do it and then hope something works. So this is what I'm doing in the code. I'm updating these here. What is this and why are you in my recommended? I mean, I don't know why people ask, why are you in my, like, why am I in your recommended? Like, it sounds so rude. Like, I don't control what's in your recommended. Don't talk to me. Like, I don't know, why do people sound so rude saying that to me? Like, I didn't ask for it to be in your recommended. I'm glad you're in my recommended. But I can't control it. I can't do anything about it. But if you want to subscribe, it's right up there. It's free. It is free. Alright. Yeah, I know. I wasn't saying you were accusing me. It's just like people I get asked that like at least 3 to 4 times a day. And I can't control it. It's cool that YouTube does that, but like you're asking, I don't know. You're asking a question that knowingly you won't get an answer for. So I just don't understand the point of asking the question. But I don't blame you. We're all good. I'm not bugging. I think this page is done. Let me just double check. Yeah, I think this page is done. And then, hold on, we gotta fix this here also. Because I don't want to add the former ones just yet. Hello? Because we're not adding former artists just yet. Because I don't have those former artists. So this part is done. Where's my notepad here? Yes, this done. The suggested playlist done. Better way to edit current playlist, we're not doing. Fixing. Oh, you can't see the thing. The code's in the way. Fixing the graph issues. We're gonna fix that. Once we finish the graph issues, we're gonna be done. I didn't get much sleep today. I'm gonna try and hopefully get more sleep later today. I'm probably gonna sleep early because I gotta get up early tomorrow. Oh, what am I doing? Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. I was about to call it Jake Farm. Jake Farm. Alright, so the issue is this. So if we go to our database, the loading emoji, I didn't know you could do that as an emoji. They have that as an emoji? That's pretty clean. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Why is this not loading? There it is. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. There's a few things that I think we need to fix with this actually. Ah, so this is okay. But if I do past 3 months, so this is what it's not doing. No, I know YouTube had emojis. I didn't know they had that emoji. Like, I thought they just had the basic standard emojis. I didn't know if they had, like, what emojis they did have. So with the graph stuff, look, we're not getting December. And that's the issue. We're not getting December, even though in our database, we have data for December. So, seeing that we have data for December and not displaying data for December is an issue. But I think we can fix that. Which one is it? Is it this? Well, we have to, what is this site about? It's about music. Music randomizer. Once these site changes are done, I'm gonna try and see, try and get a commercial done for it. I have to look at some artists or people who do commercials and see the prices and all, and hopefully in a month I can have a commercial done that like is like for the site. That's what my plan is for the next month, is to try and get a commercial for it. But yeah, it's about music. You suggest you random artists, random. You can search up artists, make playlists. You can find new songs, search for songs. You know, there's a ton of things you can do. Really. You can favorite songs and all that, and then the graph stuff. There's a lot of things you're gonna be able to do. Can't do them right now, but hopefully by the end of today, you should be able to. If things all go to plan today, you should be able to. Where's the graph stuff? Here. Yeah, it should be good. It does sound awesome. I'm just hoping it all goes to plan. I think. Okay, so this is for the past 3 months. We could just test with this. So while the year is 1, month minus 2, because it's January. January minus 1. Month, year. Does the year ID equals year? How come in our code equals year? Is it because it doesn't work for January? Hold on. Let me... If I donate you $500, you cancel all your Python program? What does that mean? What does that mean exactly? I'm not using Python right now, but, what do you mean cancel my Python program? I don't have a Python program. I can create one, but, why? Huh. Alright, so this is gonna be into daily. 01 January. I think this is because it doesn't have anything for these slots here. And if that's the case, I think we can fix it. Let's see. Alright, so let me hide this. So we can go here, SQL, paste this in. Alright, that, I think, let me refresh this. Okay, there might be more then. What's up? You cancel all your text on your program. No. I'm not gonna delete my code, if that's what you're saying. I'm not deleting my code. Why would you think I would do that? I'm not dumb. Like, seriously? Hello? Hi, I just hopped in here because I saw this live on my recommended. Hey, that's what's up. You would do it for $500? Dude, I'm not recoding all this stuff. For $500? I'm not recoding all this stuff. Alright, for some reason this doesn't work. Hey man, you could donate the $500. I'll look out for it. But, I'm not gonna delete my... Copy and paste the code. You can donate the money. I'm not gonna delete my code, though. I'm just saying. Do what you want, though. I don't even know... Hold on. I'm trying to check. I don't get why people think, oh, just because it's money, they have, like, the streamer has the obligation to do something for you. It's like, what? Out of here with that stuff. I'm not obligated to do anything for you just because you're donating money. It is time. That's the thing. Donating money, you can't donate time. What's up, Stefano? I leave? Yeah, okay. You can leave. Bye. Almost anything? Almost anything. But, that's some weird shit. Don't come in here saying, like, oh, $500, delete all your code. Fuck out of here. Who are you? Like, hello? Weird people, I would say. So month -1. So we're trying to fix the graph here, and this is the last thing we need to do. So for the past 3 months, January, December, November, does November? I don't think November has anything though. I could have sworn this worked. That's a lot thing in my taskbar. Um, I mean, it might seem a lot, but I use literally most of these programs. Like within a month, I use all these programs. So I think that's pretty good within a month to be using all those programs on my taskbar. I clean it up every now and then, especially when it gets too long. When it starts reaching over, I delete some of them. But if you think that's bad, my bookmarks is worse. I got like 30 bookmarks for like a lot of things. So we need to do this. Select some. Table.x. Pure. How many lines have I wrote all together? I do not know. I honestly don't know. Because this one is just a lot of copy paste for like the different stuff. This is 1600, but it's because it's for like the months, like the different months and stuff for different settings here. For these different settings. That's why it's taken a lot. But I did for this whole project maybe 30,000 lines. My the social media site that I was working on, that's probably like 60,000 lines of code altogether. This one's getting to be a lot of lines. I can check the project's how the file size. The file size is 1 MB. Do what you want with that information. My other one, the social media site that I was working on is 34 MB, and that's because of, I believe that's because of which one holds the most? Actually, that's actually a lot of lines. There's actually a lot of lines code, and I think that's because of other things. I haven't touched that project. This whole project, so this whole project here, wait, moving. This whole project here, which one is it? Not this one. This one. This is all 1 MB. What kind of websites are you making? A music site. This. Music site. I mean, it's... You have to realize, I think... what is it, like, one word... that... My latest project is 500 less than 500 kilobytes for sure. Damn. I like to do big scaled projects. I don't like to do small projects. Because with small projects, like, once I'm done with it, I'm like, what's next? I just want, like... I like to just do bigger projects. Why a music site? I like music. Excuse me, I'm hiccuping. Sounds like a cool idea. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I like music, and oh my god, my eyes, they're so tired, and I need to get some extra sleep tonight. I think I'm gonna try and go to sleep early today. Site for music data. It's gonna have music data, but it plays music too. It's called Music Randomizer. But I am having music data integrated. That's what I'm working on now, fixing, is the graphs and trying to figure out why it won't work. But let me see. It should, the way that I think it's, the way that I think, hold on a second. The way that I think it should work, I think it should work. I think this is just messed up. So here, hold on. I already make small projects. The biggest one I've made was Launchpad MK2 Simulator, in a basic variant, when I didn't know any other language. Wow. Yeah, a lot of people like to do, like, that's the one thing, like, people build portfolios with small projects. It's hard for me to build a portfolio because a lot of my projects are big projects and they're kind of like not even done. Okay, so this doesn't make sense. This December, where's artist ID coming from? Hold on. Select artist or artist name. Oh, okay, so hold on. Artist ID, so select artist where artist name is that. We gotta, hold on. Do. Oh, I spelled. Alright, I think I gotta delete this one. And then here, this should work. I think. Okay, so hold on. So this is 6.64 million for January. So if I put this in, because it's programming, maybe it's because it's programming the hobby. Yeah. I mean, it's good. I hope it becomes my job, but currently it is. Um, I work on client sites right now, and then I have an internship interview on Tuesday for a company. So I'm hoping that goes well. That's what I'm busy with this later tonight, and then tomorrow with is preparing for it because it's on Tuesday. I certainly need to make sure I'm rested up well for it too. Thank you. I hope I do good too. I'm just checking something real quick on this screen. Yeah, my setup is all set. I need to get another monitor. I need to wait though a few weeks for it. Yeah. Alright, so that's all set there. What else? So if this is this stuff is ignored. I do think though, if we set it here to 2, update. Set year ID equal to 2. This is gonna update them all. Alright, so if I refresh this, I don't think this will work for January. It does? But I changed... What? How does this year ID thing work for current month? Oh, but if I do past 3 months, it won't show January. What's up, Cably? Welcome back. Alright, so if last 3 months, so if I do this, refresh this, this should work. Hopefully. So we go here, if we say past 3 months, January is not even listed. Maybe I have this backwards here? Month minus 1. Maybe I got this backwards here. Well, it even though it doesn't matter right now, because I'm resetting the data for all the stuff here, it's gonna matter in the future. So if I change this here, January, it doesn't have December or January, so I think one of these is wrong, but I remember when I was a kid, I thought programming games meant talk to a computer when I was 9. I discovered the truth. The worst thing than knowing Santa wasn't real? No. No. Not that. Not Santa. I never thought about programming. Like, I never considered it until, like, you know, when they taught me, when my middle school taught me basic HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. I was like, oh, it's over. I was like, it's over. Whatever you it'd be like, I was just like, whatever you thought it was, it's over. So I'm building a music site. This is just the data part of the music site. Everything else is done. Because this site is supposed to be done this week. So I'm trying to finish it up either today or later tonight. But I want to finish it up now while I have the time to do so. And it's almost done, but there's one part of this that doesn't make sense. So let me show the code. So I'm working on this section here out of this whole thing because this is all that's needed. For the 3 months option, years 1, this is for the year ID. Years 1 equals 2020. Years 2 equals 2021. So when we do month minus 1, January minus 1, I have this coded to be technically still be January. So this, I guess, hold on. I don't know what. I guess if I do this, if if month selected 1 equals January, year equals 2, else year equals 1. When I tried explaining my hobby to my classmates, they had the same reaction I had back when I was 9. Have you ever tried explaining programming to someone? It's intense. All the time, especially when people like tune into the stream and they're like, "What's this?" You know, I say it's programming, but then they're like, "How do you do something like this?" And I'm just like, "Well, you know, I kind of already know it, so it's kind of like, you know, I just do it." It's kind of weird. It's hard to explain to someone who just doesn't understand the concept of like a basic computer either. So if they don't understand like how a computer works, you know, it's not gonna be a fun time. Hold on. I don't think. What is this? This is years equals 1. If this was month selected 1. The thing is though, if this is January, if it's February, but if it's also February, oh my god. This was the hard part about coding. This part of the graphing stuff is like doing the past 6 months, because this like the past 3 months is doing the way I had to code it, so it was backwards. And it's easy, but at the same time it's hard, because when it goes backwards you have to repeat it. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and then January, February, and all over again, and it repeats. Same thing when you go backwards. You go, say, March, February, January, December, November, October. So you gotta repeat. It's the pattern that you gotta keep repeating. But how do I know? I don't know how I set it to know like what year this is, because I don't have it. It doesn't really specify. So month minus 1. If it's January, January minus 1 is January. January minus 2 is December. January, because this is including the month of January. January minus 3. Maybe. I don't know how it's gonna be, because well, it's only so past year is past year. Let me double check this. Yeah, past year is nothing here. Okay, so I think the way I have to do this is like a case. So if it's January, well, I don't think I have to do a case. Okay, wait. This will always be 2. I believe so. Because 2 would be the current year, technically. But this is where we get into the interesting part. So if it's I think the passion for recurrent comes life comes to life because of a passion about machines, about things you only think, about things that know only if you tell them. For me, it's similar. You might have worded it a different way that I would have. For me, it's really being able to create something from like your own hands, like being able to literally build something that started from nothing. And that can go for anything, like a business, a company, like a product, a YouTube channel, like being able to create something out of nothing. And that's what my passion is for, is being able to stretch the limitations of what you think there are with coding and programming. Sometimes you can't do anything, like sometimes you can't do certain things because of the limitations, but I always try and push that, because I'm always like thinking like there's got to be a way to do this, and whether it be a non-professional way or feel that way with drawing. That's why I study art. Hey, that's good. What are you building? I'm building a music site. And right now we're working on the data graphing with it. So I think if we get three months. I'm trying to think. There might be a way to do this realistically here. So let me just. Oh, what? So we say we get the current month, which I think in PHP you do like date like this, I believe, something like that. Get current month, and then you get the month selected, so month selected name. No, it's okay. It's okay. I'm used to it with these streams at this point. Like a lot of these streams are literally just me, like, talking to the chat half the time. Month selected name, get that value. So we're gonna have an array here. So if we create an array with the months, which I think it's in here somewhere. So we'll have an array. So it'll be like array, and then what's January, etc. Like that. So when we get today's month name, technically it would be 0, and then we get the month selected. So if the month selected is let's not do January. Let's say March. So if it was March, the value would be 2. The value would be 2 because 0, 1, 2, January, February, March. And then past 3 months. So March, February, January. So January would be 0. The value of 0. If 0 to 2 is technically 3 values. How do I guess I could say, like, if it's 2 minus 0, you get back 2, but that would also be the plus 1, so it'd equal 3. Let's do, if we do this like past 6 months, so like this. If you want, can you explain it in a fast way. The problem maybe. Well, that's what I'm trying to do now, which is trying to think like the way to build it backwards. That's the whole thing with this, is that I have to try and build it backwards. So if you see what I could zoom in real quick. Oh my. We'll do this. So let's do, this is gonna be for past 3 months. Past 6 months. So with the same logic above, we do this. So if it's February, the value is 1 because January, February. So past 6 months, we're gonna get January, December, November, October, September. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would equal 0. This would equal 12. This would equal 11. This would equal 10. And this would equal 9. So, oh wait, no, 0, 1, 2, this would equal actually this. Because it's 1 off because of the 0. So it's equal this. So, if we don't get 2, trying to think. If we don't get 2 from it, it would be the year ID. So year ID equals, if it's, so 1 to 6, I'm trying to think. If it's, the value has, okay, so if it's February, the difference has to be within that range. So 1 and 0. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So technically those are going to still be within the same year ID. So that'd be 2. 1 minus 11 is a negative number. So negative number equals 1. But this is something I'm interested. Hey, that's what's up. I'm always glad to see people interested in programming. I'm not a good teacher, because I'm still figuring this out for myself, you know. But yeah. I think right now I'm just gonna work out the logic of some of this stuff, because coding this is gonna take a few hours, I think, and I don't have that right now. So this might have to be something to do on Monday. But so let's continue this logic. So for the past 6 months, if it's June, February, March, April, May, June, what's it, 7? The value is, wait, January, February, March, April, May, June. It's 6, so the value would be 5. Past 6 months would be May, hold on, May, March, oh wait, no, January, February, March, would be April, oh my god, March, February, January. So this is past 6 months. So this same thing, this is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So essentially, if it's not a negative number, it's in the current year. If it's a negative number, it's in the past year. That makes sense. Hold on. Maybe I do have time to code this, if this logic makes sense here. I think past 9 months, is it the same way? I think the problem is above what I can handle at the moment. Gotta go to bed. Night. See ya. See ya. Yeah, see y'all. Hope you all have a great night. So if it's a negative number, it's the past year. That's not that difficult, actually. So let's try this with the 3 months, actually. So let's just comment this, you know, we might need it later. We actually have an array of all the months here, technically, but I want to do... a different array, and month dot equals date n. Let me see. That's correct. PHP month date n. I just want to double check this real quick. Is this not okay? It's date F. Get reference notation of a month date. So it would be date F. Date N gets 1. Okay. So we're going to do this. So we're going to create an array. We're going to do it months of year equals array. I'm going to do this. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right. We'll do current month equals, and it's date F November, December, burr. That's what Gucci Mane says. Burr. Okay, and then like let me see here. So when we do this, I'm trying to see. So while we do this, these are loops, right? Yeah, these, I believe this one doesn't need anything here. I don't think these are looped, right? Oh, but it's... Okay, hold on. We might have to change this up a bit here then. because this is different here, year to year. So for 3 months here, month minus 1 will always be 2. For this, we're gonna do while or for x equals 0, x less than count of. I'm making a music site. We're working on the data for it. The data less than we really just need to do 12. No, it's gonna be 11. Oh, we could just do count and then months. Wait. Months in. What did I name it? Months of year. So there's that. So it loops through it, and then we're gonna, if current month, so if current month equals, and then we're gonna do months of year X. We're gonna do, oh, we get the key anyway, so we go position equals X. So we get the position now. If we don't need it for this, because this will always be 2. What am I? Hold on. It's gonna be for down here. Let me just. Do 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 do. I think I need this here. So for month 2, if month minus 2 count position X. I'm glad you're here too, Ham Wham. Really helps support. Thank you. So month selected. We get position. If position is if position, you're dyslexic, that's alright. Position minus 2 is less than 0, years equals 1, else years equals 2. I think this is what we do here, but instead of years, we're gonna do years 1, and then we're gonna do years 2, and then down here, if month minus 2 is less than 0, wait a second, I'm confused on this. Let me just redo some of this here. I am confused on a lot of this here. confused. If month minus 2 is less than 0, month minus 2 is less than 0, else well, shouldn't this just be 2 then, and then this just be 1? Let me check that with the site. Because if that's the case, then I think we didn't have to do any of this. I mean, it's always okay if we didn't have to do any of this, because, you know, we live and learn. What's happening? What's happening in the code? Line 24. What's happening in line 24? Okay. Past 3 months didn't do anything. How come? Undefined variable year. Alright, let me try this now. So January, but it doesn't get December for some reason. That's the thing. It doesn't get December. It says no, 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 no. So that means here, because December, the current month minus 2. Else the year equals 1. Let me, hold on. Let me see how this goes. Where year ID equals 2. Still streaming? Yeah, I am. Alright, so hold on. December year ID equals 2. It's giving what the year ID equals 2 here. If month minus 2 is less than 0. Oh, wait. So I think I got this backwards here. So I think I got that backwards. Oh, wait, hold on. What? Where year ID equals 2 for December, year ID shouldn't be returning 2. Month minus 1 is less than... Oh wait, maybe it's supposed to be equal to? Less than or equal to, maybe. No. Where year ID equals 2. Why is this still giving 2? January minus 2. Wait, so... Is it because of this? Maybe it actually is this. Where year ID is still equals 2. What is going on here? I think I know why here. Hold on. Hold on. Let me try this and then so this is for table 3, table 2, table 1. Let me try this. No. No. Where year ID equals 2. It's still 2. The year ID is still returning 2 for some reason. For this doesn't make sense because if it's let me try this. 1 minus 2 is not yeah, but if it's less than then this has got to be backwards. Well, what did that return? Oh, wait, it returned all the numbers. Hold on. So where year ID equals 1, okay. But it didn't graph it. Oh, wait. Is it because they're all the same? Oh, they are graphed. You just can't see it. Oh, okay. Hold on. I think we fixed it without actually having to work this out here. So let me show the code. How did I learn how to code and stuff? Self-taught. A lot of looking things up, a lot of learning online. I really don't watch videos. I did watch videos, but to begin with, I do watch videos, but now I just look things up. Videos are kind of hard to follow along with, I would say. In my opinion. But that's just me. Yeah. Alright, so the issue was this, when it was just years, it was being overridden by the next one. That's why we were getting the error. I believe it's 2 then 1, right? No, it's 1 and 2. So we gotta change these up to 1 and 2. 1 and 2, years 3, years 3. 1 and 2, years 4. where is it? 1 and 2, years 5, year 6, and then 1 and 2, and then that should be good for the thing. So let me just check. Years 6, years 5, and then I'll see how this looks on the graph, if this is correct. Years 3, years 2. What? Oh. 3, 2, and then 1. Alright, so let's see how this looks. And then if this is good, let me just refresh it. I didn't have to refresh, but I had already hit the button. Nothing I could do about that. Alright, so look. So current month, past 3 months, past 6 months, in which you know, there's not many here. Let me go and change up the numbers here. I think, do we have September in here? We have October. We have 1 row for October. So I'm gonna put like what, 100 million here, 35 here, you know. So then we see those giant spikes here. No, not that. So look, so now we see those giant spikes here. So now it works. Whew, we fixed it. We fixed it. We fixed it. Yeah. I'm so happy this is fixed. Past 9 months is not fixed. We have to fix that, and then yeah. So site, let me just check our to-do list. Fix graph issues. Done. We're done. We're done. Site won't be live until Monday. There's a few things that I need to do, but site will be back live, or it's already live, but not with the new changes. So new changes will be out Monday. I'm gonna work tomorrow morning and the rest of today. Well, not the rest of today, because I'm gonna try and get some sleep. I need to catch up. But yeah. Thanks for everyone following along with these site changes. We pretty much did it. Everything's with the site changes are pretty much done. There is just one little thing I do have to fix with the data that does get stored. But yeah, most of this, like, I don't think, like, if I do past year, it doesn't show data because there's no data there. So that's the one thing that is good about this. But yeah, thanks for everyone that stayed, watched the streams, you know, did all these things, and yeah. And then what else is this? There's a lot. So I have to go through this whole code file and fix it, edit the code here, which won't take that long. But thank you all for watching, and if you aren't subscribed, you know, I mention this a lot, and it's because we are trying to hit 10,000 subscribers. Growth has been good, really, on the channel, and I'm glad that everyone's staying for the support. And I may post a ton of BS videos, but you know, it's all in good fun for me, and I hope to get a good laugh.